Under a blazing sun, Ramu, a gaunt farmer, surveys his parched field, a landscape of drought and despair. He wipes sweat, his face etched with worry, a silent testament to the struggle against nature's harshness. Clutching dry soil, Ramu kneels, a symbol of his and his village's plight against the relentless drought. Sunlight filters through the canopy as Ali walks with his goat, his bright eyes reflecting the forest's serene beauty. He pauses before an ancient, gnarled tree, its branches swaying as if whispering secrets. A mysterious voice echoes through the woods. "Whoever tells the truth, I will help him." Sunlight catches the gold as Ali stands in the village square, a beacon of generosity amid grateful villagers. Ali's face shines with joy as he distributes the coins, a symbol of shared prosperity and newfound hope. Ramu watches from the edge, his eyes mirroring admiration and a burgeoning belief in the village's future.